Hi YouTube, welcome to my new project. American-made Trek 520, Reynolds 501 tubing from 1984. Paint damaged. Non-original fork, but very cool patina on the decals. Mixed match of parts from 80s and 90s. Some Contour, some Shimano. The Acampe cantilever brakes, but the pads are gone. And some cool bits for touring. And yeah, there's a big ass dent on the right side of the top tube. Ouch. I'll tell you a bit of story about it while you watch me disassemble. Since I started YouTube, I let my friends know that I'm looking for bikes like this. You know, the cool patina, old parts, steel frame and stuff, which I find interesting. So anyways, this bike is from a tourist from US. He came all the way to Istanbul on this bike. Then he decided he doesn't want to take it back with him. He left it as a tip to his motel's bellboy. It's not rare to find bikes like this here. Couple years back, I found a bike from a Japanese guy. Tiny frame. He left the bike at a local shop near his hotel. He took his pedals and saddle with him. Just like that bike, this one didn't have a saddle. Typical touristic behavior. I think the saddle is something personal on bikes. People switch frames and bikes, but not the saddles. I get that they like their seating, but they abandon their companions far from home. Anyways, if you ever end up in Istanbul with a bike you want disappear, call me. Some Velgo platforms. Useful find. Just look at how nicely it's aged. I don't know what to do with this frame yet. I love the patina, but it's way too gone, even for my standards. I feel like I got to do something about the top tube. It's not an old headset, but the bearings were all in parts. I will look for replacements. The bottom bracket tool doesn't fit through from all the mud and grime in the hole. Off camera, I've tried to get the bottom bracket out. It didn't work. So I squirted lots of oil from the top of the seat tube. Left it one day and came back. Bit of elbow grease and we're done. See you guys on part 2.